Kuri na mweneni wa kuuka kwa migomo ya arigitani bururi-ini thutha thirikari kugerera ministry ugima wa muingi kwandika makiria ma arigitani 6,000 a gikiro kia interns. Thiini wa miaka 10 arigitani makoretwo magitabania migomo kuririra kihoto kia interns kuheo marua na mishahara. O ne kuringana na wiguano wa ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia arigitani na ministry ugima wa muingi undu uria utari wa kinyanira.
For the last 10 years we've had to demonstrate and protest twice a year to have the interns posted to their different facilities.
No riu utongoria wa ikundi cia gutetera arigitani utongoretio ni mwandiki munene wa KMPDU Davji Atela ugeta giko gia gutuma arigitani makiria ma 3,400 thibitari-ini citiganite bururi-ini ni kioneria kia utongoria mukindire ku ministry-ini ugima wa muingi.
Today we have seen a day where more than 6,000 interns have been posted. It's the first time in the history, by the way, to have more than 1,700 doctors posted to the hospitals.
They will earn the 2006. Yes, 206. They will earn everything. That's why I came here to make sure that there will be no more industrial health workers dispute in Kenya for the success of the universal health care.
Mwena-ini wake Minista ugima wa muingi ADDEN DUALE nehitite gutigirira uruti wira ministry-ini ino no wagacira.
Want under my leadership there will be no more health workers industrial dispute in our country. I want to leave a legacy that Kenyans will be remembered for. That when ADDEN DUALE was the Minister for Health, the Ministry of Health was a different. MOH was not mafia, but it was the Ministry of Health.
Thutha wa kwamukira marua maya amwe a interns ni macokeirie thirikari ngatho.
And I'm just looking forward to a better experience and just enjoying the journey and being able to look forward to now being a registered nurse and just growing in my career.
So I've just waited for like 4 months. I'm happy, I'm glad. And concerning the stipend, I'm happy. Those guys fought for us and we really appreciate it.
So it's a victory for the doctors in this country, it's a victory for the healthcare workers, it's a victory for the public who are going to get the healthcare needed without having to see doctors on the streets, without demonstration and without frustration.
Maya magithiaga na mbere Minister DUALE oigite utongoria wa thibitari 35 iria ciekuruhanite na wici wa mbeca cia muingi kugerera mubango wa SHA ni megukinyio igoti-ini.
A Kenyan, for example, goes to go and donate blood. It will take maximum 3 hours, 2 hours. Then they are admitted for 5 days in their records, and a claim of 5 days is put. That is immoral, that is illegal, that is pure theft.
DUALE ateterithitie wici wa mbeca sector-ini ya ugima wa muingi ni mukinyu muthia.
Let this serve as a notice that we will pursue all fraudulent actors to the full extent of the law, including criminal prosecution and full restitution of illegally obtained funds. So we are going to ask certain facilities that they will refund the money they took from Social Health Authority.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.